To complete the square for a monic quadratic, take half the value of b and write x plus b over 2 squared. Then subtract b squared over 4, then add the constant c. Now let's look at an example to get a better understanding of this. Complete the square x squared minus 6x plus 2. Now first we'll half the value of b and subtract its square, so it'll be x minus 3 squared minus 3 squared plus 2, which will give us x minus 3 squared minus 9 plus 2, which is x minus 3 squared minus 7. To complete the square for a non-monic quadratic function, we can first factorize out the a from the terms involving x, then complete the square on the quadratic term and half b over a and write x plus b over 2a squared. Then subtract b squared over 4a squared, then add the constant c. Now let's look at an example to get a better understanding. Complete the square of 3x squared plus 12x minus 5. Now we can first factorize the 3 from the x terms, so it'll be 3 times x squared plus 4x minus 5. Then we can complete the square on x squared plus 4x, so it'll be 3x plus 2 squared minus 2 squared minus 5, and then we will simply simplify, so it'll be this minus 4, then 3x plus 2 squared minus 12 minus 5, and our answer will be 3x plus 2 squared minus 17.
Please like and subscribe, please.